Creative, I don't have time in this video to get into the science of habits, but I suggest you look it up because it's very informative. Here's the point though. When your brain thinks that something you're doing gives you satisfaction, it turns it into a habit and it rewards you for it. And in this case, it means that when you don't manage the artistic goal that you wanted to do, moving fast enough, creating that thing, finishing a book, whatever it is, you beat yourself up because you think that somehow suffering is going to make it better, going to turn you into an artist tomorrow. That thinking things like, oh, I suck, or I'm just lazy, or why can't I do it, or I'm never going to make it. Somehow we feed that thought and we think that's going to help us create. It doesn't, but it does form a habit. A bad habit. At no point does negative reinforcement help you make beautiful things. It just doesn't work that way. So what do you do to get out of this? Well, habits cannot just be broken. They have to be replaced. While you're not going to be able to change the emotion that pops up right away because that's an automated thing, you can change what you do with it. If your brain says, oh, I'm so lazy, instead you got to turn it around and consciously think, no, I'm doing what I can with what I've got. My life is busy and complicated and it's okay. What I have made here counts because it cost me. If your brain thinks, oh, maybe I can't do this, maybe I don't have the ability. Nonsense. Of course I have the ability. It's just untrained. Just like any kind of athlete or musician or anyone else, if I want to get good at this, I just need to have patience and I need to work at it. I can do this. When you don't manage to make something and your thoughts go straight to that place where you beat yourself up, you have the choice to stop. It may not feel genuine yet. It's going to take time for that to sink in, but that's how you form a new habit. It is what you choose to do regularly that your brain says, oh, I need to reward this and devote resources to it. So creative, it's time to break that bad habit of beating yourself up. Trust me, I am speaking from experience. This is how you make a habit of daily creation and get out of that habit of beating yourself up. You can do this, creative. You're not alone and you are worth this effort. Now sit down with me, choosing to believe that you can get this done, and let's make something new.